Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
And finally, let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So here, probably on the intraday charts, it's nothing to talk about yet, just because our target recently just has been completed. So market still stands around the top, forming no signs of the possible reaction. It is not yet clear what the particular reaction will be, what patterns will be formed, whether there will be reaction at all or not. So we need to give market some time to accommodate around the current level. And then we'll see what will happen. But in general, setup that we discussed on Thursday is done perfectly. We talked about 93.50 area as a support to consider taking long position, because we said this is level support and broken trend line. This is actually final invalidation point for the bulls. They have to stay above it or overall bullish context will fail. And you can see later here it was, if you drop your time frame more, for example, to the 15-minute chart, you will see that here minor hand and shoulders has been formed. Even here you could see it. And later you could see that upper jump has been confirmed by the grubber. So here's on hourly chart, bullish grubber has been formed. And right after that, market has skyrocketed to the upside. That's what we have on hourly chart. So the target mostly is done. We said it will be 102 approximately, but it was as high as 104. So probably some stops that have been placed here and triggered more extended upper performance. Now we have no option but just wait and see what will happen. You will have to decide what you should do with your long position. So that's up to you, whether you would like to hold it, moving stops to the break even or even higher, whether you would like to take the profit or something. In the current moment, I think that most interesting thing is to trying to estimate more extended target. So what might be, what actually could follow after that. So on the hourly chart, on the daily chart, we also can't say something really definite. Market stands near the overbought, but not totally at the overbought. Triangle that we have considered has been broken up. So here is also mostly market has shown the bullish performance, but at this point it's also unclear what to expect next. Whether it will be a 3 drive, for example, with another swing up to more extended target, or market could start forming kind of the hand and shoulders, which very often happens when you see the butterfly. There's also some questions, so here we also need to wait. The same story on the weekly. On the weekly chart, besides market hits the overbought. So as we said, for this week, overbought stands around, this was for the beginning of the week, in approximately the same area, so 103, 104 is particular where the market stands. So together with the major target has been done, market also hits the overbought. So here we need to wait and see what reaction will follow. Besides, don't forget that here we have, guys, very good upside thrusting action, which is potentially suitable for the Jordan patterns. For example, bread and butter buy. So for instance, you will get moderate pullback. This area might be interesting to consider the long position at the first downside action. Now we're coming to the longer term chart, where we could estimate the more extended target. Here is 2 moments to keep in mind. First is that based on the trend at the still area, you can see here, market stands at overbought also on the monthly chart. So this historical overbought has been reached in the 2021, and now market stands in the same area. Right after this overbought level, market starting downside action. Now it stands at the same overbought level. This is the first moment that's important here. Second, 1618 extension of this leg down has been completed. This was our target. Now we do not need it anymore, so we could delete it, as well as this flag consolidation we also do not need anymore. And as you can see on the chart, next upside target based on the all-time ABCD stands at XOP, which is around 127. This will be the next destination point. It doesn't mean that market has to keep going higher right now. It's just more extended target. Maybe market will show first some retracement. and then we'll start looking for that. But that's just the next level that you need to keep in mind if you plan to make some investing on a long-term or long-term purchasing on the Bitcoin market. But at this point, maybe it's not really a very good idea, because chances that we could get some pullback and bad entry levels still exist. So I wouldn't hurry up with taking any new longs at this point. So that's what we have currently on the Bitcoin market. Let's see how situation will develop here.